Hi everyone. Welcome back to my channel. Want to be the perfect girlfriend? Here's everything you need to know about how to be a good girlfriend and make your guy feel like the luckiest guy alive. Number 1. Be the friend in girlfriend. Remember, you're in a relationship. You're not just there for each other to roll around in the hay and go at it in bed. There has to be a connection and deep intimacy. Be a companion to him, share your interests, and respect each other's views. Number 2. Give him space. Clingy girlfriends are a major turnoff. While constantly calling and texting him may be all right in the first stages of your relationship, it can get pretty old soon. So if you don't ease up on demanding his attention, he'll want to break free and break up. Show that you trust your man enough to let him live his life. In the end, he'll be the one who will be chasing you. Number 3. Like his friends. A good girlfriend will not stir conflict between herself and her man's friends, or worse, make the man choose between her and his friends. Remember, his friends were there long before you came into the picture, so you should respect that. They may be foolish and childish at times, but they are his friends. You wouldn't want him to come between you and your girlfriends, right? Number 4. Make his friends like you. Another way to get the love and affection of your man right from the get-go is to make his friends like you too. Their seal of approval is a great pat on the back to your man, and he'll be proud to have you as his girl. Number 5. Impress his family. Now, this is important, especially if you're both in a serious relationship. If you want to know how to be a good girlfriend, this is a great move to start with. Your boyfriend may be smitten by you, but he's got significant baggage that needs some impressing too. Every time you're with his family, try to participate in the conversations and be cheerful around them. If he sees you bonding well and having a great time with his family, you're probably going to see his eyes welling up with tears of happiness. Number 6. Feed him well. Food is truly a great way to a man's heart. While you can't be in the kitchen 24/7, at least visit it once in a while to whip up something delish for your guy. It doesn't matter if it's just pancakes or a peanut butter and jelly sandwich. What matters is that you're showing him that you want to take care of him by making that effort. Number 7. Don't give him a reason to be jealous. It goes without saying, but a good girlfriend is a faithful one. It doesn't matter if you're the hottest, most beautiful woman in the room and all the guys are drooling at you. Let your man know that he's the only guy for you and that he has your full attention. Never flirt around with other guys and let him know that he can trust you. He will be loyal to you too. Number 8. Earn his respect. Women want to be treated with respect, just as men want to be respected too. A good girlfriend doesn't just demand respect from her guy, she earns it. When you believe in yourself and your capabilities and have a strong and determined personality, it'll make your boyfriend respect you for the person you are. Learn to show off your capabilities and awe him, and he'll begin to listen to you and respect your opinion, not because you're his girlfriend, but because you're such a wonderful person. Number 9. Dress like $1,000,000. For a guy, there's nothing sexier than a girl who can illuminate a room when she steps in. Be that girl. When the whole room stops and stares at you, it'll fill your boyfriend's shallow heart with happiness and pride. Dress like $1,000,000 when you go out with him. And if his jaw drops at first sight and he can't stop glancing sideways at you when you walk with him, you know you've worked your magic. Number 10. Trust him. Give him enough space so he feels like you trust him. Always questioning him about his whereabouts will only make him feel caged, and you will only look possessive. A good girlfriend trusts her man, but knows how to set boundaries when that trust is broken. Number 11. Build up your pleasing personality. Everyone is drawn to a pleasing personality. Negativity just repels people, regardless of how they are related to you. The best girlfriends are the ones who have a pleasing personality that makes them easy and comfortable to be around. He'll want to spend more time with you, and he'll want to please you too. Number 12. Turn nagging into an irresistible request. So he can be frustratingly childish and messy at times. This doesn't mean you should fire your mouth off. A good girlfriend knows the art of nagging constructively. Try not to raise your voice. Instead, talk to him in a soft, even seductive tone. Disarm him with your sweetness and let your concerns shine through instead of your need to control by nagging. Thank you so much for watching this video.